The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus redefines home cleaning with intelligence and autonomy. This robot vacuum not only performs efficient cleaning, but also empties automatically at its charging station, eliminating the need for human intervention. With smart mapping and advanced navigation, the Roomba i7 Plus adapts to your home, providing effortless, scheduled cleaning. It is an ideal solution for those looking to keep their home clean with the latest technology. Positive aspects: complete automation with automatic emptying function, smart mapping for efficient cleaning, advanced navigation to avoid obstacles, programming and control through mobile applications. Negative aspects: higher price compared to other models. You may have difficulty with certain obstacles.